Okay, very good. So as I said, it's on the web, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the Google Chrome. I'm going to go ahead to there we are. And so click on this one. And there we are. Okay. So I'm going to introduce you today to regular primes. Okay. And when I read about regular primes, it was a while back, and I didn't pay too much attention. And I said, well, you know, and I mistakenly, due to my own ignorance, I called ordinary primes like 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, okay? I call them regular primes. They're ordinary primes. Regular primes are a special class of primes. And I got this from Wikipedia, okay? It says in number theory, a regular prime is a special kind of prime number defined by Ernst Kummer, it's a German name, in 1850 to prove certain cases of Fermat's last theorem. Regular primes may be defined via the divisibility of either class numbers or Bernoulli numbers. So if you want to learn about this, you can go ahead, and these are all very advanced math. Fermat's last theorem actually was proven late in the 20th century. Okay? So, now look at this. So I went ahead and I said, okay, I knew that the exponent of the 19th Gaussian Mersenne Prime is 353, and the exponent of the 19th Mersenne Prime is 4253. Okay? I knew these two. So this is the relation to 19. And we know that chapter 42, actually, the number of HhaMeem is 353. Guess what? When you go to the table of regular primes on the web, 353rd regular prime is 4253. When I saw that, I could not believe my eyes. I was filled with joy at that time. And it just, you know, it just went on and on and on. And I could not believe when I saw 353 right in front of 4253. Okay. That boggled my mind. But this is how God has designed it. You see, God shares this view with us. Okay. And that's what we are looking forward in paradise. Okay? Now we'll go on. Recall that Surah 42 has 53 verses, and 353 is the frequency of HhaMeem in Surah 42. There is no way you can go wrong with this. It connects the number of HhaMeem in that chapter with 42, which has 53 verses. Okay? Sometimes people ask me questions, I'm challenged, why are you saying that this belongs to this and stuff? There's no thing. It's right here. This one tells you. Okay. The 670th verse in the uninitial surahs is 9127. Okay, we have it in our translation. You can look it up. 670 happens to be the 548th composite. 548th additive prime is 9127. Okay. And guess what? 548th regular prime is 7019. 7019 is the numerical value of the verse 9127. Okay, again, another beautiful view. (7019) happens to be the 903rd prime 548 composite is 903. 748 lonely prime is 9127. And 7019 is the 114th index-additive prime. That means that it came from another prime, that when it was added to its index, it became another prime. That's what 7019 is. Happens to be the 114th such prime. And guess what that other prime was? It was 6211. And chapter 62 has 11 verses. And I have stressed this so much. Do not miss the Jum'ah. Don't play hooky. When the time comes, as God says, when you hear, when it's announced, you rush towards commemorating God. You drop all businesses. It doesn't matter. Don't try to explain it away. Don't try to nullify it. You will not be happy. Okay? Have to make God happy. So what is it that makes God happy? If you do this, and as I said, these views are shown to us today. Those two underlines that I have in there, they were shown to us today. Okay. How many different ways God is supposed to tell us? That 9 has 127 verses. That 42 has 53 verses. That the number of HhaMeems in that chapter is 353. Okay. So as I said, these numbers are not mine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up a Google thing. Okay, and go in here, right here, and we go to additive primes. Oh, let's see, regular primes, and then you click on it, and it goes in here, and you click on this, and it gives you all of this information here. And then we come down here and it says table from 1 to 10,000. Okay, so you come in here and you click on this, you search for it, and you say 353. There it is, my friends. 353, 4253. Okay? And as I said, this table that we are looking at, this is the view that God has given us. This is His view, because this was hidden from us. We didn't know about this. We didn't know that this direct relationship actually exists. And again, as I said, I did not generate this. This is generated by someone else who has no benefit or harm from this. This is a mathematical fact. It's the truth. Okay? So, today you're going to go and have a much better afternoon, inshallah. Okay? Happier. Okay? You are in a bigger universe today. Right? The universe, I mean, the local group has expanded by the length of from here to the moon 50 times over, from yesterday to today. Okay? That's how much bigger it is today. Tomorrow the same way. It just goes on and on and on. Okay? So there's the beauty. And so let's finish this, okay, and we'll go ahead and finish our Jummah. Allahul Kabir.